Okay, we've got this Porsche Cayenne in today with a blocked EGR, I believe, and DPF. Not too sure if DPF is actually blocked. He's saying the soot content isn't bad in there, so expecting EGR. So we'll run the pilot EGR on there to get it pulsating as it's cleaning. So put it on a 90-minute clean. A lot of carbon smell coming out of this, for beauty, I've got to say. Stinks. Yeah, leave that for a bit, then run a rev cycle on it towards the end, and also going to run a static regen on it as well to clear the system. And hopefully I'll sort it. I'll keep you informed. We'll try and get some info back on the driver, or the garage actually, that's what I'm doing this for, then post it back up. Excellent. Right.